In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a board on Monday.com. Managing your boards on Monday.com is crucial for ensuring that your work environment is organized and secure. Sometimes you might find yourself needing to limit access to a particular board to keep sensitive information safe, or just streamline who has editing capabilities. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. How to lock a board by changing its privacy settings. Let's start by navigating to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the board you're interested in locking. This could be a project management board, a team collaboration board, or any type of board that you're currently using on the platform. Each board on Monday.com has an array of settings that allow you to control various aspects, including its privacy. As you've selected the board, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. These dots are more than just a design element. They are your gateway to a variety of board-specific settings and options. Clicking here will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. Now hover over the settings option within this menu. This action will bring up another submenu indicating that we're on the right path to making our board private. It's in these nested menus where Monday.com hides some of its more powerful features, allowing you to customize your experience without overwhelming you with options from the get-go. Within this submenu, you'll see the option to change board type. This might seem a bit misleading at first, since what we're actually looking to do is change the board's privacy settings. However, on Monday.com, the privacy of a board is intrinsically linked to its type, which is why we're navigating through this particular option. Hover over Change Board Type to reveal the final step in the process. You should now see the option to change to private. This is where the magic happens. A private board on Monday.com is only visible to and editable by the board members you specifically invite, making it the perfect option for sensitive projects or any scenario where you need to control access tightly. Click on Change to Private, and you'll be met with one last confirmation step. This is just a safeguard to ensure you don't accidentally change the board status without meaning to. Click on Change Board to Private to confirm your choice. Once completed, your board will now be locked from public view or editing by anyone not invited to the board. This means you've successfully ensured that only those who need to see or interact with the board can do so, providing an extra layer of security and privacy to your work. It's important to remember that changing a board to private doesn't remove any current members from the board. Instead, it simply prevents new uninvited users from accessing it. Therefore, you might want to review the list of current members and adjust as necessary to fit your privacy needs. Remember, the way you manage and organize your boards on Monday.com can significantly impact your workflow and productivity. Converting a board to private when needed is just one of the many features available to help you tailor the platform to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're working on a project that requires confidentiality or simply prefer to keep your boards neat and limited to certain eyes, understanding how to adjust these settings is key, and that's how you lock a board on Monday.com, by changing its privacy settings. This feature not only puts you in control of who can see and interact with your boards, but also adds an essential layer of security to your projects. Whether you're managing a team, working on personal projects, or just keeping sensitive information organized, knowing how to adjust these privacy settings can make a substantial difference in your productivity and peace of mind. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your Monday.com experience. Stay productive.